So who did that? Hey? Who ate all that food that was nearly full? And you totally moved the table around. I reckon the table got pushed around and that went over the barrel and made the lid pop off. And then you had a lot of food. It was, I don't know, 3/4 full. Eh? Let's see your tummies. Who's got very fat tummies? Well, you're pregnant, but I don't think your tummy would be that full. Hey. You don't look fat. Yeah, you do. Oh, we're innocent. Oh, Echo is with me, so she needs feeding. You naughty dogs. I bet you drunk all the water. Yeah. Makes you thirsty, that dried dog food. You naughty, naughty dogs. Look at that tummy. Excuse me, don't do that. Yeah, oh, you're still hungry, are you? Look at your barrel of a tummy. Oh, I'm innocent. Oh my goodness. No wonder you guys cost me so much. Ah. Good thing I love you. It's a good thing I love you. Yeah. Look at your tummy, Willow. Think you had a fair share. No breakfast for you guys. Goodness me.